Forgotten username recovery failed on Qapital Fix. If your attempt to recover your Qapital username keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Qapital still uses usernames. The surprising truth is that Qapital has switched to an email-based login system, so your email now acts as your account identifier. Here's the fix step by step. Step 1. Open the Qapital app or visit the website. On the login page, enter the email address you used to register your account. If you're unsure which one it is, check your inbox for old emails from Qapital, like deposit notifications or account confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folders if the message doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login like Apple or Google, make sure you use the same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery fails. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Qapital support directly. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access manually. Most users think their account is lost or compromised, but the reality is simpler. Qapital removed usernames in favor of a safer, easier login system. So don't stress, your account and savings are secure. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Qapital goals in no time.